Hi friends, welcome back to Perfect Study channel. Now in this video we will take up the average questions of CAT 1997, and just to remind you, in case you are a first time visitor to our channel, kindly don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon to receive all the latest video notifications. So let's start. Question numbers 1 to 3. Now this is a set question and all the 3 questions are based on this particular directions. There are 60 students in a class. These students are divided into 3 groups A, B, C of 15, 20 and 25 students each. The groups A and C are combined to form group D. What is the average weight of the students in group D? Now total we have 60 students, and these 60 students are divided in 3 groups A, B, C. Group A has 15, Group B has 20 and Group C has 25. And groups A and C are combined to form Group D. So groups A and Group C together forms Group D. So you can make a further bifurcation, that is Group B 20 and Group D 40. Right? Now question number 1. What is the average weight of the students in Group D? Now if you notice, the original question does not talk at all anything about weight. The question is giving us data only about the number of students, and we want the average weight of students in Group D. Let's see the options. Number A, more than the average weight of A. Now Group D has got 40 students and A has got 50 students. Does that mean the average weight of Group D students should also be more or less than the average weight of 15 students? Not necessary. Okay. Now here if you notice, Group A students are already part of Group D students. I mean, this Group D 40 includes 2 groups, A 15 and C 25. Now if Group A is part of Group D, does that mean the average weight of Group D will be more than the average weight of Group A? Not necessary. Okay, so average weight of Group D may be equal to Group A if Group A average and Group C average is same. If it is same, average weight of Group D will be equal to A. Group D average can be more than A also, it can be less than A also. And same thing applies with Group C also. Average weight of Group D can be equal to Group C, it can be more than Group C, it can be less than the average of Group C. All kinds of possibilities are there. That is why more than average weight of Group C we cannot say for sure, less than average weight of Group C we cannot say for sure. Answer will be cannot be determined. We can't determine anything because not a single data about average is given here. Okay, next. If one student from Group A is shifted to Group B, which of the following will be true? So let me write again here. A has 15, B has 20 and C has 25 students, and total we have 60. So one student is shifting from Group A to Group B. One is shifting in this direction. What will be true? The average weight of both groups increases. Now here this is little conceptual. When the average weight of Group A will increase, if the student who is leaving, if his weight is less than the original average of Group A, then because of his leaving, average of A will increase. Same thing with B. If this student's weight is more than the original average of Group B weight, then with his joining, Group B average will also increase. But in order to do that, we should know what is his weight, or at least we should know the relation of his weight and the original average weight of A and B. Then only we can determine. I hope the concept is clear. The average weight of both groups decreases. So when it will decrease? It will decrease if this student's weight is more than the original average of Group A and it is less than the original average of Group B. Then the average of both groups will decrease, but there is no information, so we cannot conclude that. The average weight of the class remains the same. Okay. Now this one student shifting from Group A to B, does it impact my class? It is just an internal shift. My class 60 remains 60. That means just by shifting from group A to group B, actually from a class point of view, nothing is happening. Nobody is going out of class, nobody is coming inside the class. That means the average weight of the class will remain the same. That will be true. There is no change from overall class point of view. Third, if all the students of the class have the same weight, all the students have same weight, which of the following is false? So let's write here again. We have A, B, C, A 15, B 20, C 25, and D is combined with A and C, where A is 15, C is 25, and D is 40. And this is my breakup of 60. So all the students are having the same weight. That is the assumption here, and we have to find which answer is false. The average weight of all the four groups is the same. Now if every student has equal weight, say for example any weight, let's say you work using variable also. If every student's weight is X, what will be the average of group A? Average will be X only. Remember, just because number of students is less does not mean its average will be less. Number has nothing to do with the average. Average depends on the individual weights of the students, not on the number here actually. Okay, so if everybody's weight is X, then even though A has 15 students, its average will be X. B has 20 students, its average will be X. Now how? Imagine every student is having X, then total will be 20X, and 20X if you divide by 20, what will be your average? It will be X only. Similarly here 25X by 25, you will get X. You don't have to calculate. It's a clear concept, but just in case somebody doesn't know, I am explaining it. So this all will be X. Now what about these 60 students? 60 into X, 60X divided by 60, average will be X only. So the average of all the four groups, even D 40X by 40, it will remain X. So all the four groups average will be same. So this is correct. This is not my answer. The total weight of A and C is twice the total weight of B. Now what is my A and C total? 40 students. And B has how many students? 20 students. So if I take D, total will be 40X and B total will be 20X. So we can see the total weight of A and C, which is nothing but D only, is actually twice the total weight of B. So that is also correct. The average weight of D is greater than the average weight of A. Sorry, here off is missing. The average weight of D is greater than average weight of A. Now already I told you, if every person is having same weight, every group will also have the same average. Whether there is, even if you have a group of one student, the average of that group will be 1. If you have a group of all the 60 students, its average will be 1, same only. What will change is the total. If I take the group of 60 students, its total will be 60X. Group of 40 students, total is 40X, but X remains same. So the average weight of D will not be greater than A. Average of D will be equal to average of A. Average does not change. What will change is the total. What you can say is total of D will be greater than total of A, because A is 15X and D is 40X, but X average is going to remain same. So this is wrong, but that means actually this is my answer, because I have to find the false option. Okay. Next. So these were the 3 questions based on one set. Now this is an independent question. The average marks of a student in 10 papers are 80. If the highest and the lowest scores are not considered, then the average is 81. If his highest score is 92, find the lowest. So in 10 papers, my average is 80. So what is my 10 papers total? It is equal to 80 into 10, that is 800. Now I am excluding the highest and the lowest. That means I am excluding 2 papers. So what will remain? 8 papers. So my 8 papers total will be equal to how much? The average of these 8 papers is 81. So 8 into 81, 648. So by subtracting, we will get remaining 2 papers total. In exam, you are not supposed to do so much. For simple explanation, I am writing all these things. So this will be equal to 152. From these 2 papers, remove the highest. The highest is equal to 92. If you remove this, what will remain? That is lowest. Okay. Now directly, suppose you want to do it in one liner. 10 papers total 80 into 10 minus 8 papers total 8 into 81 minus highest 92, that will directly give you 60. So that is your answer. Option number B, 60. Okay, so these were the questions of the year 1997, and all were quite good questions which were testing the average concept. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like button, click on the bell icon to receive all the latest notifications. Give your feedback and what type of questions you want, you can write in the comment section. Share it with your friends if you liked it. As much as you like, share it. And I am also giving the links on this particular corner here, okay, in all my different slides time to time in the video of all the other playlists. We have got playlist of data interpretation. I have also completed the series of percentage questions of previous year CAT papers, so you can go through all those videos. Our Facebook group link is given in the description box, so don't forget to join our Facebook group also. I'll continue with the next year of average questions, that is 1999 onwards, in the next video. Thank you.